Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your blockchain development agency business. If you run a blockchain agency business, then manually handling client inquiries can slow down your onboarding process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will explain user your services and also book appointments on your behalf automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me show you the step-by-step procedure on my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. We have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot will respond us with, "Hello, blockchain development experts welcomes you. We help businesses build secure, scalable blockchain solutions. How can we assist you today?" And it has given me 3 options to choose from. I'm going to choose the first one, view our services. And it responded me with, our blockchain services include smart contract development, NFT and Web3 platforms, DeFi apps, private blockchain setup, token launch and ICO consulting. Need help with anything else? Contact support option. But I'm going to choose the second option that says share project. Please share your project details, type of solutions, example DeFi NFT token, tech stack preferences, if any, and expected timeline and goals. So here I'm going to add my details. And it has responded me with, thanks for reaching out. Your request has been registered as project detail submission, type of solution, MFT marketplace, tech stack, Solidity, React, IPFS, Polygon. Timeline and goals, MVP in 6 weeks. Goal is to onboard 100 creators in first phase. We will respond shortly. Need help with anything else? And it has given me option to contact support, so I'm going to click on it. And it responds me with, our support team is here for you. Kindly contact us on this number. So this is the chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create a similar chatbot, then let me show you how it is created step by step. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like a WhatsApp chatbot for blockchain development. On the screen you can see there is a flow start feature under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern which is used to trigger any keyword. To use regex, you have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Now you can see there is another option from which we can choose templates. When you click on it, you will get a list of approved templates from which you can choose your template and use it in your chat flow. Once we are done with our basic setup, we are going to move ahead with curating our first message. So here I am going to access the text button and here I am going to enter a welcome message like this. It's going to look something like this. Hello blockchain development experts, welcome you. We help businesses build secure, scalable blockchain solutions. How can we assist you today? Now, with the help of add button, we are going to give some quick reply options like view our services as well as share product brief, and we are going to give them option to book a call. Once we are done generating our first message, we are going to generate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with view our services. So here I am going to access text button again and here I am going to add all our services. And our message will look like this. Our blockchain services include smart contract development, NFT and Web3 platforms, DeFi apps, private blockchain setup, token launch and ICO consulting. Need help with anything else? And here I am going to give them an option to contact our support executive for further assistance. So here I have provided an option to contact support and now we are going to give them our contact executive's contact details. So here I am going to add, our support team is here for you. Kindly contact us on this number. Once we are done generating response for our first option, we are going to generate response for the second one which says share product brief. And for this, I am going to access action type nodes and then I am going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I am going to add, please share your project details, type of solutions, tech stack preferences, expected timeline and goals. And here you can see there is an option to select contact custom fields. And to select them, you need to create contact custom fields first. And to do that, first save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you have to go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field and here you can add field name and enter description of the field and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you've created your contact custom fields, you can select them from drop down. Here I'm going to select add and as format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link this question box with our share project quick reply option and then going to generate another response, and for that I'm going to access the text button. Here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Thanks for reaching out. Your request has been registered as $add. Add was our contact custom field and this $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details shared by the user. We will respond shortly, need help with anything else, and here I'm going to provide them option to contact our support executive. Now I'm going to link this contact support button with our message where I have shared the support executive contact details. Now we are going to curate a response for the last quick reply option that says book a call. And for that, again, I'm going to access the question box and I'm going to place it here and then link it with the last option. Here I'm going to enter, let's schedule a call with our experts. Please send us preferred time and date, your time zone, phone number or email. We will send you a confirmation shortly. Now here I'm going to select contact custom field, same as add, and as format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link it with the same response that we used earlier, and this is how we have completed our WhatsApp chatbot for Blockchain Development Agency. If you want to create this chatbot, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. Once you're done creating your chatbot, you can save it from the save button. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.